Let's get in the other tables and see how we can actually use the transform tool, which is Power Query. So just go ahead and click on your data, and now we go right to where we have them. So I'm going to go with this from CSV, and now we have gotten our customer table right here. So we're going to get this one called return our product. So just click on this. So make sure you follow me step by step to actually have all those data right here. So click on transform to push this into Power Query. So there you have it. So for now, we can just change this. And here it says replace current. So when you just click on replace current right here, it's going to replace this change type we have right here. If you click on add new, it's going to add a new step. So for that, I can decide to just add a new. So now we have type 2. So now we have issue with our date. Don't worry, we're going to actually, make a setting of this. So if I go right here right now, you can see what we have. That is why you have to watch from this section down to the end, else you're going to miss something and you'll be thinking it's not working, and everything works right here. Whatever I demonstrate on this particular screen today is what will definitely work for you as well if you follow the right, or sequence of the video. So let us just don't mind this error for now. So we are cool with this, and I'm going to go right here and just load, and it's going to load itself right in here. Connection, add to module, and you load. So we are downloading data. If you can see right now, we have over 4,000 errors, which you shouldn't don't even bother about this, because we're going to fix this together, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't have this error, maybe it was because your computer is set the way it should be set. So if you have this error just like myself, don't worry, we're going to fix it. Go all the way back right here and go to file CSV. So we're going to take our product lookup. Just double click on that. So we just go ahead and click on transform data. So before we do anything right here, I would like to just go ahead and load this, and we come back later after all to start actually doing some transformation. So load. So we pick up another set of the data, which is going to be this part here. Then we go to CSV. So I'm going to go with my region lookup. They are all on the right data types. So just going to go ahead and load it. So we just have to pick more tables. Just follow me step by step. And here we go. So now we have to get our region. So we've gotten our region, so we need to get our style, and just click on import. So as you can see, this one is actually some kind of not really cool. So we have to do a lot of cleaning right here. So let's just do this. So for now, we're not going to bother much about the cleaning. So we just want to get all those tables we are going to need right here. And after all, we're going to see how we can actually clean things up right. So now we just have to go ahead and just load it for now. Just click on load. So we need to actually get data from one of these tables, for example, for now. So this is not how we're going to get our data, but for now, we can just go ahead and just do this. So I'm going to just click on import. Then that is where the transformation is going to begin. So I'm going to actually load this into here. So now this is exactly what it is. So it is time for you to see what is going on right here. If I actually click on this and decide to change it to the right data type, so nothing happens here because here is cool. So if I do the same thing to this, let's see what I'm going to have. So I'm going to click on date and click on add a new step. Automatically, we're going to have all these to actually rendered into errors. So what is going on? That is exactly what I want you to actually take a look at how to fix right now.